Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing both devices and entering pairing mode. Put your Marshall Major Roman 4 on charge if battery is low, then power them off and press the power button firmly until the LED flashes white. This is pairing mode. On your Windows PC, open Settings, go to Bluetooth and Devices, and toggle Bluetooth on. Once Bluetooth is on, click Add Device and choose Bluetooth. These steps initialize the connection handshake that the Major Roman 4 requires to appear on the PC list. Once the headset appears, select Marshall Major Roman 4 from the device list. Windows will show a pairing prompt or animation. Accept it. The PC and the headphones exchange credentials and store the pairing. After a successful pair, Windows often auto-connects, but you may need to select the Marshall device under Sound Output to route audio. If the connection drops, use the Bluetooth menu to connect. This section handles the protocol steps, and why explicit output selection ensures sound is sent to the Major. Finish by verifying audio quality. Open Sound Settings and confirm the Marshall Major Roman 4 uses the A2DP stereo profile for music. If audio is low quality or uses a headset profile, switch profiles in the sound control panel. If pairing fails, remove the Marshall device from Bluetooth list and repeat the pairing steps from slide 1. Clearing old pairings resolves stored credential conflicts. If problems persist, restart the PC's Bluetooth service or update the Bluetooth adapter driver. These steps fix driver level and service issues that block connections.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.